Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are doing good and are safe and healthy. Okay, so today the topic that I'm going to share from the book Magic is how to practice gratitude for your health. Now, I won't spend time in talking or speaking about the importance of health in our lives. We all know how important that is. However, I just want to bring out a point that if at this moment you are finding it difficult to get through the day, if you're feeling heavy, if you're not feeling good, it may be due to lack of gratitude towards health. So, here's what we can do about how to practice gratitude for the health that we have. So, the chapter mentions that we need to actually say thank you to each and every part of our body due to which we are able to function during the day. Okay, so if you have to see, currently I'm using my eyes, my ears, mouth, tongue, okay, brain. So these are multiple activities and senses that I'm using to go live and discuss with you. And this wouldn't have been possible, of course, my legs, because I'm able to sit in a proper posture so that I can deliver the content. So the book speaks about the different senses, the five senses, and then and why it is important, and then saying thank you to each particular sense. Okay, for example, you know sense of smell, okay, sense of taste. Okay, the food, suppose, if imagine a situation where you have delicious food and you are not able to taste it. Okay, how would you feel? We can relate it to the COVID scenarios, right? When we have sense of when the sense of taste and sense of smell was lost when someone was infected with COVID. So yeah, so uh, so you need to basically have to uh, practice gratitude for each of your senses. Then next would be to move and uh, thank all the different organs in your body, okay, without which you couldn't function. uh, I already mentioned eyes, ears, okay, nose, uh, and all these life sustaining organs which continuously work day in and day out, okay, without you having to think about it, you know. So you need to thank each and every organ, the brain, the heart, okay, without which we wouldn't be here right now. So, so these are the things that we should practice and practice, at least 3 to 4 times in a day. So once you so the thing is, you need to pick up, for example, sense of smell, then think why it is necessary, and then close your eyes and just say thank you for that. Then you have to move to the next sense, and in this order you need to complete all the organs of the body, they, as I mentioned in the video. Along with this, you need to prepare a chart, okay, something like this. I hope it is visible. So, and you have to write this: the gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Okay, and keep this chart in front of you wherever, if you are working from home, you can keep this chart in front of your in besides your laptop, or behind your laptop or desktop. so that at least when you're taking some breaks, you can have a look at it, or maybe you can keep it somewhere where you're washing your hands, so that when you notice this chart, you immediately practice gratitude for your health, for your organs, for your sense, whatever comes to your mind at that point of time. And yeah, it is being said that, along with the sense of gratitude, if along with the conventional medicines, if everyone follows the gratitude, this life would be much, this world would be, completely disease free, and we would all be healthy and happy. So I hope that you are already doing the earlier exercises of counting your blessings, uh, gratitude rock, and magic in relationships. All of this put together will really be beneficial and life transformation process. So stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much. See you soon.